Hey, it's MK. All right, so I am back with a What Goes With It Wednesday. And if you guys remember, on Monday, we made this background based off of a pre-printed 49 and Market background. And so I made this. Now, I did tell you guys at the beginning of that video that I kind of sort of cheated a little bit because I already had a scraps kit made for the specific pictures. So these are the pictures that I have. I've got 4 3x4 pictures. Sorry, I forgot for a minute. So 3 going one way and 1 going the other way. So I'm going to put them, and then with these pictures, I already had these items picked out as a mini kit because I wasn't really sure. I actually had a million pictures to go with this, and this was all the paper because these were left over from a Kit Conspiracy thing that I did, and also I put it together way back in the day when I was doing my Advent calendar in December. So I've had this kit for a long time, but I thought that I would go through it and see if it still meshes with what I've got going on with this piece of paper, and the fact that I'm only using this many of the pictures as opposed to all of the pictures. I've actually split this up into 5 different layouts because I do one for the family album and then one for each of the kids. So I have one for, this is the family, and then I'll have a companion page for my husband because he acts goofy when we do things like this. And then I have one for each of my 4 kids for their own albums. So I do have it all split up depending on what it is that I am, what I'm working on, okay? Or what I'm going to be doing. So I have these left over from the Advent pieces, okay? And they're all like little stringy things. I thought I could add them in a little bit to my mixed media or whatever. And then from my kit that was left over way back in November, this is, I believe this last November's, I've got a ton of white cardstock, which I have no intention of actually using, so I'm going to take those out. I think they were just put with all this stuff. I have these alphas that no longer actually match the kit anymore, so I don't think I will be using these alphas because they just don't go with this kit anymore like I thought it was going to. So I've got a ton of pretty little studio little things. So this one says Holiday Tradition, Wish List, all spruced up. The little floral bits going on here. And then more floral bits. I couldn't pass up the squirrel because we say that a lot in our family. We go, squirrel. Okay. And then I love me a good stripe. So I've got the stripes. This piece I just threw in here. It's actually left over from a layout that I just did, I want to say last month, but it's a green that really goes good with all the greens that are in this, in the florals and whatnot. And then, of course, now it goes good with the greens that I picked here. I've got these little ripped up pieces as well as a non-ripped up piece. It could go good for a layering. And that is all that I have for this. Now, it doesn't say anything except for in the background about cookie decorating. So I'm going to go into my Christmas and see if I've got anything that has to do with cookie decorating. And then I think I'm going to pick a different alpha because these do not match anymore. They just don't work, and they don't go with what I've got going on. So I'm going to put these away and try to pick out something just a little bit different. So let me go get a few things that I think will work for my my foodie part of it. Okay, sorry about that. I didn't, my Christmas bin is so big, I did not want to bring it in, so I just went through and rifled through a few things. Now I found these Flair. This one says Made with Love, and then this one says Mrs. Claus's Cooking Company. So I'm going to bring those in. Then I found these flashcards, and on the side it says Snow, Peace, Joy, Jolly, Frosty, Cheer, Wish, Winter, Hope, Holly, Jingle, Tinsel, and then more on the other side. So I thought I would go through these and at least pull one out I'm not really sure. Wow, there's a ton in here. I wonder if they're duplicates. Oh, there are. There's like 3 of each one. Okay, so holly, whoa, they're double-sided. Ah, you've got to be kidding me. So these ones all say holly, these ones all say tinsel, and then they say holly on the other side. Holy cow, I could have split this deck with somebody. Frozen and wander, winter and cheer, peace and jolly. Okay, so then we've got jolly again. This one says hope and jingle. And then we've got frosty and wish and frosty. I knew that. Snow and joy. And then we've got Noel and twinkle, cheer and winter. Here's wander again, star and joyful. Okay, merry and magic. I do like merry. Give and believe. Saint Nick and love. Okay, so I think I'm going to be splitting this deck with somebody because there's no way I will be using all of these. I had no idea that that's what was inside all of these flashcards. Okay, so I've got that one. And then I also have this deck here. Oh, and then that one is just a card. But basically what it is it's for, like if you were to give cookies as a gift, this is a little kit that you could make to decorate your cookies. Or there's a recipe if you want to give away your recipe. And then there's other colors. So I think I'm going to get rid of this and use this as, oh no, it's not the right red. Darn it. I was just trying to bring in a little bit more red. I like the baking mitt. Your friendship makes the season sweeter. So no, can't do that. But then there's the cookies, and what's really cool is there's a spatula with cookies, which I already did the layout of us. Oh, there's one of my daughter's little cards that she made. Aww. Aww. Okay. But you put these cookies on this little cooling rack, which I thought was the coolest thing ever. And then you make the card, right? Using all of these little different things. But of course, I don't create that way. But I've got all these little cooling racks, all these little cookies. But I've already made the layout of where we were making these, and I forgot that I had these. So we're gonna have to make. I have more. Like I have the baking of the cookies, and this is all during Christmas time. So I've got the goods. I could add, nope, I've already got stripes, so that doesn't work, and look, more stripes, but I could add some more brown if I wanted to, but then I don't like the pieces. I could add this brown, just as a little, but I feel like the pictures have a lot of brown in them, so maybe this was a bust. I like this. It's beginning to taste a lot like Christmas. That's super cute. But I feel like that would be a good title. So I might bring that in. Okay, so I'm going to do that. At least I got something out of that. And then I have these guys. And I was looking at, well, golly, look at this mess. So I was looking at, what was I looking at? Well, for one, the Candy Cane Lane kind of caught my attention. And so I was looking at Candy Cane Lane and maybe tucking it in to where it's just a little arrow. But now I'm thinking these guys look like frosted cookies. And so I was thinking about maybe bringing in some of these and then cutting them out and turning these white and then my paper brown, so they looked like frosted cookies. But I don't really think I need a whole lot more embellishments or anything because the paper really does all the work for me. And I've got these little scraps that I could use to go around my paper. So I'm thinking this is pretty good, but that's why I pulled this little bag out, is that I wanted, I was thinking about turning these into little cookies. But I do have several layouts more, and I do apologize if my puppy's crinkling is very annoying. I am so super sorry. But it is what we do around here. We chew on water bottles. It's what we do for now. At least until he's, you know, done teething. So I am going to put all of these back in. These are kind of cute too, but again, I really don't feel like they go with. So I'm happy with the few things that I brought in. I do apologize for this one being kind of a cheat, or a lot of a cheat, because I did have this little kit already done up, but it is the way that it worked out, and it was something that I really wanted to get done. So I'm super happy with how this looks. I will get all of these put away. So here we go. And yeah, this is what I have. Come back on Friday to see how I can figure out how this layout goes together and see what I'm going to do. I'm loving this title the more that I think about it, and then I can cut out all these little pieces, and I can even use these as more layering pieces with the papers that I already have. So I'm super stoked with what I have added to this little kit and whatnot. So, all right, see you guys on Friday, and we'll figure out what I can do. Bye.